Hello everybody, this is the winter storm that you guys have heard about that's going on in Skokie. That right there, what you see, like right there, that is it's like a meter of snow, literally. It's blocking the front of my house, which is right there. And there's huge winds. I mean, I've had winter storms before, but this is like the worst I've ever seen before. No joke. We can't even go outside without being covered in snow, because there's so much wind and snow, and every few minutes there's lightning bolts. It's really hard to travel in this kind of weather. As you can see, there's a salt truck trying to clean the roads.